Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. If you're interested, please keep on watching and see how to get this look. So first, starting off with our primer, this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm just gonna prime my skin. Now I'm just gonna use the Makeup Forever Correcting Cream just to correct my under eye. So I'm using the orange shade. Now going in with the Huda Beauty foundation, this is in the shade Toasted Coconut. Just gonna put some, like 2 pumps at the back of my hand, and I'm gonna mix in the Cover FX dewdrops. So not dewdrops, what are these called? Custom enhancer drops. So I just put 1 drop in. This is in the shade Moonlight, and going in my Real Techniques sponge, just now I'm gonna use the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, and just to cover the areas like where there's still a little bit of redness showing. So just spot concealing. Now I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. Just gonna a few drops, and then I'm gonna mix in the Tarte Shape Tape, because the Tarte Shape Tape, I love the concealer, but the shade is a little light for me. So until I don't get my correct shade, I use it like this so it can brighten and cover. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just set under my eyes. And I like to use this sponge that I just got from Sephora, and just like to press it all in. I'm just gonna go do my brows and then I'll be right back. Okay, now onto my eyes. We're just gonna use the Urban Decay primer portion all over my eyelids. Just gonna use my fingers and blend it out. And then now for the eyeshadow, I've got 2 palettes. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I've got the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. So first, using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade So Bougie and just blend it into my crease as a nice transition shade. It is really important for you to blend out the transition shade really well, because it creates the gradient, and it really shows how well, it really helps you blend out the rest of your eyeshadows well as also. So just take your time, go in a couple of times if you need to. And then now going into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm gonna take this shade Eden. Just add that into the crease to warm up the look a little. I have no idea what kind of look I'm doing. I'm just going along. I do know that I want to use the NARS Exhibit A blush and the Marc Jacobs blue eyeliner. So I'm just trying to do something that I can incorporate those two products into my look as well. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Amber and just deepen that crease. And then I want to add the shade Oud, this like dark little bit of plummy shade into my outer V. No, it's not plummy actually, it's more like chocolatey. But you just add a little bit of this. So I'm just gonna take the blending brush again and just blend that out. Using that same dark brown shade, I'm just gonna add it to my lower lash line as well. And then using the pencil brush, I'm just gonna smudge it out. Now using a fixed brush on a flat shader brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Gold Dressed from the Too Faced palette and just add that all over my eyelid. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the shade Famous as well. Just on the place where it's blending into that dark brown color. But then I'm gonna go in with the dark brown shade a bit more and just blend it all in together. And I'm just taking my eyeshadow out a bit because I want that slight feline effect using the shadow, and just blending it all in. Using the Tarte Chrome Paint Pot in the shade Top Yacht, I'm just gonna spray my brush again with the Fix Plus. I love this product, and just use it for my inner corner. Just take it down on my lower lash line slightly. For my brow bone highlight, I'm just going to take slightly of the Nephryte shade from Huda Beauty, from the Desert Dusk palette, and just put that on. I'm now going to go in with the Marc Jacobs blue color eyeliner and just line my upper lash line. And I want to just create a nice wing with this liner. So make sure to create a wing, always make sure that your pencil liner is nice and sharp, and then for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs waterproof pencil. Now going in with the shade Eden, I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line as well to blend it out. Now onto my face, I'm just gonna go in with some contouring using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and an angled brush. So just chiseling out a bit. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer. This is the Fantastic bronzer. It's huge. And using a Zoeva Luxe Face Definer brush, I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. If you're scared to use a bronzer, this is the perfect one because you can't go heavy-handed with it. The color is just perfect for all skin tones. I'm now just gonna go in with the highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. So I'm just gonna add that as we mostly have golden tones going on. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers for the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and a bit on my chin. And then now using the Wayne Goss brush, I'm specifying this because this is a deep bright color, so it is really important that you use a fluffy sparse brush. If not, it can be a little too much. So I'm using the Exhibit A by NARS, and ever so slightly, you can, I don't know if you can see, it's just really picked up, and just it gives the most beautiful flush of color. Actually, it's the first time I'm using this blush and the bronzer in this video. I haven't used it yet, so it's the first time I'm using these two products. So just, you can build it up of course, but it's better to go in lightly than to add too much. And now for my lips, I'm gonna go in, okay, I'm just gonna wipe. I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D gray lipstick. It's in, I can't read the shade, but it's the gray. I'm just adding a bit of the top knot eyeshadow just to give it a little gloss. I'm now using the Urban Decay Fix Plus to set my face. And now going in with the Tarte Paint Mascara, and I'm gonna pile on a lot of this. So I'll do this and be right back. And here's the final look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Bye guys, till next time.